Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
To make gravy chili chicken the only way, start with clear mise en place and measured ingredients. You will need 500 g boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 egg, 2 tsp ginger garlic paste. Trim fat and cut into 3 cm bite-sized pieces, then marinate chicken for 20 minutes with salt, pepper, and 1 tsp red chili powder. Prepare batter with 50 g corn flour, 25 g all-purpose flour, and cold water to a thick ribbon consistency before frying. Heat a deep pan with oil and get it to frying temperature. Consistency matters for crispness. Fry chicken in oil at 180 degrees C for 6 minutes until golden and set aside on paper towels to drain. In a wok, heat 2 tablespoon oil and sauté 3 chopped garlic cloves and 1 sliced onion for 2 minutes until translucent. Add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tsp vinegar, and 150 ml chicken stock for gravy. Stir and bring to a simmer. Balance heat and seasoning when you finish the dish. Taste and adjust salt, sugar, and chili to preference. Thicken gravy with 1 tablespoon corn flour mixed in 50 ml cold water and simmer for 2 minutes until glossy. Return the fried chicken to the wok and toss gently. Toss fried chicken into the gravy and coat evenly. Simmer for 3 minutes so flavors meld and the chicken warms through. Garnish with 2 tablespoon chopped spring onions and serve with steamed rice or noodles for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.